Science measures the problem. Law responds to it. Data alone doesn't reduce emissions. Policies do. Environmental laws exist to turn scientific evidence into enforceable rules. Let's start simple. A factory emits pollutants. Without regulation, it continues. With regulation, limits are imposed. That's the foundation of environmental law. Now zoom out. Climate change doesn't stop at borders. Pollution travels, rivers cross countries, atmospheric carbon mixes globally. That's why international agreements exist. One of the most significant is the Paris Agreement, adopted under the United Nations framework. It commits countries to limit global temperature rise by reducing greenhouse gas emissions and reporting progress transparently. But here's what matters. These agreements are not symbolic. They influence. Energy investment, carbon pricing, industrial standards, corporate reporting, trade negotiations. Climate agreements create expectations. Markets respond to expectations. This link between environmental regulation and economic behavior was shaped by environmental legal frameworks developed after major environmental crises in the 20th century. The idea that governments must regulate pollution at scale became central after industrial disasters proved voluntary action was insufficient. Now zoom in. Environmental laws operate at multiple levels: local air quality standards, national emissions targets, international climate commitments. Compliance mechanisms include carbon taxes, cap-and-trade systems, subsidies for clean energy, penalties for violations. These tools translate environmental science into financial incentives and constraints. Now zoom out again. Climate agreements are built on scientific assessments from bodies like the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, which synthesizes global research to inform negotiations. Science defines the risk. Law defines the response. But here's the critical point. Agreements are only as strong as implementation. Targets must be tracked, data must be transparent, policies must align with commitments. Environmental governance is not static. It evolves as science evolves. Before we end, zoom out one last time. Environmental laws teach a structural lesson. Without enforcement, sustainability remains theory. With enforcement, it becomes strategy. Environmental science provides the evidence. Law converts evidence into action. In the next episode, we'll explore carbon footprints, carbon credits, and net zero strategies, where we'll see how climate commitments are measured, traded, and implemented in real markets. This series is part of the Learning Studio, where science, policy, and economics are connected clearly and logically. This isn't about promises. This is about accountability.